In today's video, let's talk about how to fix cannot access email to new phone. Now in this situation, the first thing that you need to do is make sure that the email is completely logged into a new device. For example, if you are trying to actually log into a new device, make sure that you have your own old phone with you as well. So for example, Google, Apple, or even Microsoft often will send a push notification on the old device, or it may even send a SMS verification code. So make sure that the email is first of all logged in and currently working. Secondly, what you need to do is make sure that the emails are synced. So what you need to do is, for example, if you are using Gmail, simply head over to the settings of Gmail or any other service providers. Once you're inside of the settings, you need to find the option called sync. So what happens commonly is whenever you log into a new device, the emails are not yet synced. So within the option, you might see the option called sync email or sync Gmail. Make sure that this option is toggled on, and also make sure that the number of days of sync, you just increase it just in case the emails are old. So make sure that you do that, and once you complete this step, make sure that you remove the Gmail from the recent app list, and you should be able to solve your issues. So that's the way on how you could do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.